Polkadot is trading at 4.95 in terms of its US dollar rate, with a value change of 0.27 in the most recent 60 minutes, which is fundamentally critical. Polkadot has an exceptionally complete market cap of $6,015,589, with a 24-hour trading volume of 74,973,870, which places Polkadot at 13 in the digital currency market and an exceptionally SIG. What will Polkadot fundamentally be worth in 2023 by and large as opposed to mainstream thinking? Is Polkadot a kind of why is speculation or worth purchasing in 2023, which basically is genuinely critical? Will spot cost explicitly outperform its untouched for the most part high-in? A truly significant way. These are our Polkadot DAB's future costs are expected to be quite tremendous. Polkadot DAB value expectation 2023. As per the Polkadot estimate cost and specialized examination in 2023, the spot cost by and large is supposed to especially cross a normal value level of 6.20. The normal truly least value worth of Polkadot toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to especially be 5.99 or so they sort of thought. Besides DAB can basically arrive at an exceptionally greatest value level of 6.64 cents. At Polkadot expected value August 2023 Polkadot cost is expected to buy in large reach between 4.89 and 5.56 in August 2023, while the August in a real sense continues around $5.40 DAB value prediction September 2023. The Polkadot number for September 2023 anticipates that the DAB will be May normally arrives at a very most extreme value of 5.83 with a very least cost of around 5.36. Stunning in contrast to conventional understanding. Talking the kind of typical value spec can genuinely stretch around 5.62 cents for September or so they truly imagined. Polkadot value estimate October 2023. In October 2023, the sort of greatest cost for Polkadot could stretch around 6.11. Essentially further appearance how spot truly has an in every practical sense total market cap of $6,015,589 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of 74,973,870 in a truly significant way. Besides the minimum cost of DAB in October 2023 sort of is 5.53 with an especially normal cost of 5.79, which is genuinely huge. Polkadot DAB value calculator in November 2023, the Polkadot spec cost for November 2023 may explicitly arrive at an essentially least value of 5.76, while the very highest determined value sort of is around 6.34 cents in a purchase and large massive fashion. The really regular cost for spot is expected to reach $6.02 in November 2023 in a generally significant way. Polkadot DAB value forecast December 2023. For December 2023, the cost of Polkadot expressly is explicitly expected to arrive at a really normal cost of 6.20, while the coin might trade between a genuinely limit of 6.64 cents and a genuinely least of $5.99. Polkadot certainly passed value examination in the following 24 hours. The crypto generally has been decreased by 1.88 in its overall current worth, which is genuinely huge. Assuming we generally look at the ongoing business sector cap of the spot with yesterday's, you can truly see that the market cap is likewise down, which is particularly critical. Polkadot for the most part is confronting an extremely difficult time jumping aboard with essentially other crypto coins. Certainly in spite of prevalent thinking, the spot generally is down to nearly 1.71 in the truly most recent 7 days, which explicitly is very huge. The coin really is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining sections for sort of past certainly couple of days. The coin could for the most part have areas of strength for commonly, yet we don't sort of figure that it would have beneficial resource in certainly present moment. Inside the truly most recent 1 month, the cost of DAB truly diminished by 27.654, taking out an incredible normal amount of 1.89 from its genuinely current worth, showing that explicitly as Polkadot a genuinely wise venture or worth purchasing in 2023 or so they generally thought. This unexpected down sort of implies that the coin truly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can truly be a kind of good and a real sense purchase an open door for certainly speedy speculation in every practical sense. The 90-day cost change is close to 22.63. And the cost certainly flowed from a kind of least beautiful typical cost of $6.02 to truly most extreme normal cost of 6.57 in the sort of beyond 90 days. In the most recent 4 months, Polkadot basically has shown a developing pattern in a generally significant manner. So we in a real sense imagine that comparable pieces of the market in a real sense were very famous at that period in an unobtrusive of manner as per the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Polkadot has expanded from 4 months. The exchanging volume is a fundamental job in its cosmos beyond 4 months, especially in contrast to popular belief. Polkadot Value Gauge 2023 Facts. What will kind of be Polkadot worth in 2023? The spec cost is estimated to fundamentally arrive at a very highest level of 6.64 cents within every way that really matters, least cost of 5.99 toward the end of 2023, which basically is very critical. Does Polkadot fundamentally have a future, or so they fundamentally thought in terms of value? Polkadot has an extraordinary pretty potential to for the most part arrive at new levels, demonstrating that certainly is Polka to the wise venture, or certainly worth purchasing in 2023, or so they essentially thought. It generally is conjecture that spot will increment in esteem, demonstrating that assuming we basically consider the in every practical sense current market cap of the spec with yesterday's, you can particularly see that the market cap in 2023, or so they essentially thought it generally is conjecture that spot will increment in experts and business examiners. Polkadot can truly raise a ruckus around town of the greatest cost of 30.84 cents until 2030, so it certainly is figure that spot will increment in esteem, showing that assuming that we fundamentally look at the ongoing business sector cap of the DAB with yesterday's, you can fundamentally see that the market cap basically is likewise down, which essentially is very critical. Is Polkadot worth purchasing in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner? Polkadot's payment proposals, real estate deals, and Arthur Hayes's thoughts on the Bitcoin price. Even though there were a lot of interesting things happening in the crypto world on Friday, Bitcoin's price went down a bit, selling at $26,126, a drop of over 1%. In a surprising move, a U.S. presidential candidate has said that he wants to pay his workers with Bitcoin. This adds to the mainstream acceptance of Bitcoin. The Cayman Islands, on the other hand, are about to start a real estate change by selling homes backed by Bitcoin, which will usher in a new era for buying and selling homes. As these changes happen, Arthur Hayes didn't hold back when he said Bitcoin is the best. U.S. presidential candidate wants to pay workers with Bitcoin. Francis Suarez, the mayor of Miami and a presidential candidate, wants to pay himself with Bitcoin if he wins the presidency. He takes crypto